Hi there, Dr. Kerry Yerkew here. I'm a chiropractor in Kelowna. Today I'm going over yoga stretches for the hip and the low back. And a lot of my patients have low back pain, hip pain, and today I want to go over some stretches that'll help you to maintain the changes that we're achieving in the clinic, as well as get you back to 100%. So let's get into the stretches now. And the first one, which is the seated figure 4. This one is very good if you're having pain in the hip area or the buttock, because there's some small muscles in the buttock area, and those muscles need to get stretched in order for that hip pain and buttock pain to go away. So as the chiropractor aligns the hips, improves the function of the sacroiliac joints, realigns the spine, then doing this type of stretch where the leg is resting on the opposite knee, and then you're doing a figure 4 where the hip is turning out is very good for those small muscles in the back part of the hip. I do like the frog. The frog is good because it opens up the hips. Do this gently, especially if you have hip pain or if you had an injury, and just go as far as you can. In this frog position, it opens up the hips, stretches the inside part of the thigh area, which is the adductors of the leg. This one's good, the head to the knee. By doing this, you're stretching the hamstring in the extended leg. The other leg can fold or just rest underneath your body, and just go as far as you can forward, holding that for about 3 to 5 seconds, and you can do this 8 to 10 times. I do like this one as well, the cow face. This one is with the legs crossed, arms behind your back, and you're just extending. This stretches the low back and works with the paraspinal muscles on either side of the spine. The wide-legged forward bend 2, this is good because it's going to stretch the low back again, it's going to stretch the hips, and it works as a stabilizer to stabilize the hips. So you have to really balance yourself so you don't fall forward. So be really careful with that one, but it's really good for stability as well. The side body stretch. This one's good for the lateral muscle group on either side of the spine. And arm up overhead, holding this for 3 to 5 seconds, and then switch to the other side, hold that for 3 to 5 seconds. Do that 8 to 10 times, first thing in the morning and then in the evening again. This crescent lunge with on your knee with prayer hands, this is really good because again, it's a stabilizing exercise. It helps to keep your balance, but also you have one leg forward, the back leg stretching. It'll stretch the quads on the leg that goes behind your body, which is good because they attach into the hip region. Then it's also going to stretch the hamstring muscles on the leg that's forward, and then the glutes and the pelvic muscles right here. So I do like this one, holding that for 3 to 5 seconds, 8 to 10 times. That's really good. And then finally, seated wide-legged forward bend with the legs out right like this as far as you can. Try to touch your toes if you can and bend forward. This is going to stretch the gluteus muscles in the back part of the hips, and it's going to help to relax those muscles. So 3 to 5 seconds to start, 8 to 10 times first thing in the morning, and then just before bed. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer those questions for you. You can also DM me if you're on social media, and we are accepting new clients in Kelowna. So if you're in the area, certainly you can go onto our website, or you can text or phone the number at the bottom of this video. You can also go online and book an appointment through our website. So I hope you learned something, and talk to you at the next visit.